Hi guys, I was gifted this Wi-Fi smart door lock from the seller so I could show you how to install it and show you all its cool features. Let's go ahead and open the box and take a look what's inside. So we have all the instructions how to install it. And everything's packaged neatly. I'm going to go ahead and set them out on the floor and show you all the pieces that it comes with. All right, I have all the pieces set out. This is the smart lock. The batteries go in here. And you have all the instructions. So I'm going to start assembling it per the instructions. I'm working on removing the old hardware and I'm going to install the new hardware. All right, I'm mounting the deadbolt part with the keypad. So it's just got a couple bolts here and there's a mounting plate that you put on before this. All right, I have the lock all fully mounted. I'm going to go ahead and put on the handle now. All right, I fully got it installed here. It's a good looking lock. Now I'm going to set up the smart features. It does have like a fingerprint. It has NFC if you got a little token. It's got the keypad here and it's got the key and you can lock it from the app. So I'm going to set that up and then I'll show you how it's done. All right, I wanted to show you how to set it up initially. So it does come with instructions and it does say the default username and password on there. You're going to start by pressing £1. So then you put your admin password. I've already changed mine. And you got the So to add a user, you can either do it from here or you can do it from the app. First, so because I didn't do it quick enough, it timed out. So let's try it again. So all right, so we're going to go to 3. So you can set the door to automatically lock behind you. So I'm going to enable it. And to go back in these menus, you just click that button. So you can set. And back. Let's see what administrator settings are. So the main thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to go in admin, and then you're going to click 3 for configuring the network, and then after you do that, then you open up the Smart Life app and do a search, and then it will find this lock, which then you can get it hooked up to your Wi-Fi. So that's the main thing that you're going to do in here. I do like that it has the unlock here. So I'm going to try with my pinky and show you. So this, we're going to simulate the doors locked, as you can see here. I'm going to try to unlock with my pinky. See, it failed it because my pinky was not one of my fingerprints that I've set. So see how that worked with that fingerprint that I already set and unlocked it. And then if you want to lock it, then when you're leaving the house, then you just click the lock button, and then it locks it. So, or if you have it set to lock after 60 seconds. You also can do a code if you want to put in your code. And there, it unlocked it. And the lock again, click that. I haven't set up the NFC unlock yet, but I need to get an NFC tag so then I can use that to unlock. But I also set up my thumb. So you can set up multiple different fingers. You can set up multiple different people. I'm going to open the app and show you what it looks like in the app. All right, so from within this app, so you're just going to click on the plus sign to add, and then you click add a device. And then it'll automatically see it after you got it. You're in that, you press 3 on the door pad to set up network. It'll automatically find it. But since I already have mine set up, it's right here. So this is what it looks like. You can remotely unlock it if somebody hits the doorbell button, then you can click here and click it like that, and it will unlock the door. So it also keeps your unlock records here, so it'll tell you what unlocked, or also member management here. This is how you add a new person. So you can add a family member and then put in their phone number and their role. Have them in here. Then you would just click add fingerprint, and then on the door you would do £5, and then it would let you add your fingerprint. So that's how I add my fingerprints. I'm going to get out of that. To add a new password, you do the same thing. Get in here and do £5, and then add your 6-digit password. Get out of this, and then also if you have an NFC card, you can do it from within here also. So £5, and then add the NFC card. Or if you want to delete the person, then you just click delete. It also has a temporary password here. So if you wanted to give somebody a one-time password, then you would click here, and then you would do generate randomly, and then the expiration date, you could just say, like, if you just wanted to give them an hour, then you would put it right there. So it would just be effective from those 2 times right there. And then save. So you would do generate random if you want a random password, or you could put in the password that you wanted, and then save. Yeah, it doesn't like that. So we'll just do generate random and then save. And now you have that temporary password put in there. It also has a one-time password. So if you want to let somebody in one time, then you can copy this, and then it only lets them in one time with that code. So let's see. Click done with that. A limited time password. So this one would be, if you wanted like another, like a password to give to a guest, you could do like that one would last you a year, right? And then so then that gave us a random password that would then be good for a year. So, and then done. So it also shows you right here door closed, so it shows you that it's locked. And then if I open it up, um, then you can see how it switched to door open. So that's pretty handy within the app. So there you have it, all the cool features of this Wi-Fi smart lock. I really like the fingerprint unlocking. You know, that's one thing that I didn't have in my past lock. So that's going to come in real handy. And I need to buy an NFC tag so we can start using that. That might be handy too. It also does come with like 4 keys. So if maybe the power goes out or whatever, you can use that. Also, if your batteries go out, it does take 4 AA batteries. There is a USB-C plug-in right here, so you can put a battery pack on it and get in that way temporarily if the battery fails. So if you don't have the key, then you just provide it with temporary power right here, and then you'll be able to access this lock. So it's a really nice set. This one did come with the handle, and this is a really pretty handle. So if you guys need a smart lock like this one, go ahead and get it. Thanks.